What's up all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be transforming this old bed. It's my friend's bed and he wanted me to update it, so this is the process in this video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. Anyway guys, I usually go to my client home to remake the bed or transform the bed, because these are some of the questions I usually get asked. Other people ask me about the materials that I usually use, so there is no specific amount of measurements, because the first thing I usually do when I go to a client, I usually start by measuring the bed, the headboard and everything, so that I can know the materials. So that is basically what I do, and I usually carry excess materials. So most of you usually ask me about the materials, the measurements. So there is no specific measurements that I can tell you, because I usually know when I arrive to my client home the measurements that I need. So I hope I've answered your questions, because most of you usually ask me how many meters of material that I've used in certain bed. So I usually don't have any specific measurements in meters or specific measurements on these boards that I use, because I usually know the measurements or the amount of fabric, pieces of wood that I will need when I arrive, after and then measuring the bed that I'm going to be dealing with. So for me, I usually carry excess, as I said earlier, because even if I get some leftovers, I will take them to my shop and reuse them in some other projects. So if I give you the measurements that I usually use, it will be a loss to you, because when you buy the materials that I tell you and you find them they are less or more, there will be problems. So I don't know what I can tell you about the measurements. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos, coming back and watching our videos, liking them, commenting on them, and most of all sharing them. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do so. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And in this channel, if you're new, we have a lot of variety of contents. We do bed transformation, other furniture transformation. We also do other DIYs that you may like. We do house transformations and many more videos. So this is a one-stop channel that you can get a lot of variety of videos, and also you can learn something from us. You can also learn one or two ideas, tricks, yeah, to update your home. So in this DIY today, my friend decided to go with this emerald green fabric, and that is what I'm going to be using. And also the design that he wanted is the channel bed. the channel design bed, and that is what I'm going to be doing. And I usually use contact glue to attach the pieces of forms on the headboard, and also I use lipping tape, that is to align the fabric in between the lines in the channel design. So mostly the work for the lipping tape is to make sure that the lines are straight and the job will be neat. So that is the work of the lipping tape. And also, after making the headboard, I usually cover the back using this black fabric, which is called lining. So I usually cover the back of it. That is to do a complete and neat job. Yeah, we are now on the road to 10k subscribers, so continue sharing our videos, continue watching, so that our videos can get recommended and our channel get recognized by other people. Yeah, and we will really do appreciate that. After a full day, because I usually start this DIY from 8 a.m. and be done at 6 p.m. It's a whole day project, and as you can see, I'm showing you that I'm done with everything. Also, I've already covered the back, and just as a reminder, let me show you how the bed looked like. Yeah, this is how the before looked like, and now let us see the final reveal. Don't forget to like and comment and share.